Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the Rode microphone. So I've been eyeing this mic for a while now, and because of the price I've just been taking it off my mind. So I went to the market to get some this portable crane handle for my phone camera especially, and then I saw it again and I felt I think this is the high time I get this device. So I finally got the Rode microphone, the dual type, where you have two microphone in case you have a guest, or maybe one runs out of battery and you want to use the other one. So I've seen the mic, I've seen people use it, I've seen that it's kind of good. So now I've gotten it and I'm going to test it and see what the audio sound like. So this very video, I am doing it without the microphone. I'm just using my phone and I'm using the phone microphone directly. So by the time we unbox it and then try that, we're going to see the difference because it comes with this wind sheet. So let's unbox and see what it looks like. All right, so now it's time for us to unbox this. So like I mentioned, so I traveled and I didn't come with the carton because I don't want my load to be much. But this is the first time I'm actually going to be using this item. So this is Rode. This is Rode microphone. So with this microphone, it comes with this filter, this noise remover filter kind of. So yeah, so these are the three items, and let me see what we have here. So if you check here, okay, this is the manual. These are the cables that came with it. So this is normal type C cable. This is another type C cable, and this is for normal camera, like my Sony camera. I can use that for it. So for this, I think we're just going to be testing one of the microphone. So if that be the case, let me see what I'm going to need. So I need like two of those type C's. Let's see. So basically, first of all, they have not been charged. So maybe after this demo, I'm going to charge them. So this is the one you clip to your shirts. So you just clip it. So something like this. So but before that, I need to ensure that it is on. And to do that, I have to press the power button. So before you clip it, ensure that it's on. So this is the Rode microphone, this is the speaker, this is the microphone if you want to use wire, and then this is the type C if you want to charge it. Then this is the power button to on it. So you can press it. Okay. So let me take a look at this very well. Let me see the difference between this and the other ones. So mind you, this microphone has different types. So there's the wireless go to wireless, different brand like that on that road, and some of them they are just one that came with it, but this one is two. So let's see the similarity between this and this. So basically this is the one that goes to the device that you want to be getting the audio from, or that you want to be sending audio to, and this is the one that, let me take a look at it properly. Okay, yeah, so these two are the ones that goes to the user, like you pin to the user's shirt if you have two people that want to use that at the same time. But if you just one person, I think you can just on it from here. And then this is not charged. I've not actually charged this, so I bought, probably that's why it's not coming up. and then this one is still the same thing. Let me see. Okay, it's not exactly so. This one is the same thing with this. This one, look at the port. So this is speaker. This is a microphone if you want to use a microphone, but we can use it wirelessly. So the users use this one, and then this one goes to the device. So let's see how we can connect it to the device. I already have a Type-C that is open. Is it? Anyways, let me just open this one. This one is easier to open. So assuming we want to make use of this right now, so what we want to do is to I think you plug this actually to charge it. Plug it here and you charge. So right now it's charging. So from the way I'm seeing this microphone, because of the kind of device I'm using, my iPhone is Type-C for the microphone. So I most likely will need probably a Type-C to Type-C so that I can connect this, the Type-C, one part of the Type-C here and the other part to my phone. So but right now I don't think I have Type-C to Type-C right. Thank you very much for sticking around to watch this video. If you have any question, if you have any comments, please drop it in the comment section, and please do it to subscribe to this channel, like the video and share it with your friends, and I will see you next time.